Hello there, this is Conrad Natak from Ezyrecon. On this short video, I will show you how to review the June reconciliation done from Ezyrecon. I will open the June reconciliation now. It is actually a typical Excel workbook. The actual reconciliation or the main pacing page is on the tab called main. If you notice on your screen, there are many tabs. There's a tab for instruction. As the name implies, it's the instruction. On the program tab, which is this tab we're looking now, there are buttons that say super easy, print reports, create journal entry, and then just update the main tab, attach data. These are the only buttons that you need to know. Print report, as the name implies, you can print all the reports. Super easy, this is actually the Ben or the virtual accountant working to make the reconciliation. And then there's the proof. Proof basically is just a mathematical computation. If you have 10 checks and 5 of them cleared, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Here it's the same presentation. Okay, and then the main tab, previous is actually a listing of all the journal entries that needs to be done, or the reconciling items from last month that still has not been booked yet. Okay, out, as the name implies, that's the outstanding checks, the list of outstanding checks. AJE, this is the actual journal entry to record the reconciling items, if any. In this case, we don't have one, so it's blank yet. Deposits is where you could find the deposit in transit, and then on the other side you will find the unrecorded deposits. Unrecorded deposits meaning there are deposits in the bank but were not booked, so they were unrecorded deposits. It's on the bank side. As the name implies, you could find them in the bank but were not in the book. These are the deposits in transit. As the name suggested, we recorded them in the books. They haven't cleared yet, so there's a timing difference, or there's an in transit. And then here's the others. The others are bank others, where you could find bank charges, incoming wire, and book journal entries, which book here, book others. And then the bank here will be the listing of all the checks from the bank, and the checks that were not recorded were unrecorded. Okay, you're probably wondering why are there two amounts, like this is the bank and this is the book. This is due to the fact that the amount that cleared the bank may be different from what was recorded. That's why we need to say this is the bank, this is the amount that cleared, this is the amount that was recorded, or there was a difference. Okay, and what's the other one? Statement. Statement is the source document for the bank statement itself. It's a raw format. The book is the general ledger itself. Let's go back to the main tab, which is here, and if you notice, there are hyperlink to take you from the source document or the source tab. So unrecorded deposits, you click that one, it takes you to unrecorded deposits. Unrecorded deposit. If you highlight them, it automatically adds 10,746. Same thing with outstanding checks. It takes you to the tab called out. If you look at the bottom, 83,544.30. Now, once you're happy with this one, you could prepare the journal entry, and all you need to do is create the AJE, and the AJE was created. Now let's review this one. Based on this reconciliation, you need to increase your cost by 2,300.87. So go to AJE And here's the cash effect, 2,300.87. If you book all these suggested journal entry, it will increase the cash by 2,300.87. Let's look at the first line, unrecorded deposits. So when you have unrecorded deposit, you need to debit cash and credit what have you. That's why the cash effect is an increase in cash. Unrecorded checks, that's a reduction in cash. So the cash was credited and there's a negative in cash. So, and if you want to print that, you could go to the print reports and do like this. Either you preview or you print. Perfect. That's a perfect journal entry. So this bank reconciliation was done in 1 minute, 2 seconds. Add the preparation of journal entry for 2 seconds, so that's 1 minute, 4 seconds, including journal entry. I'm not sure whether you could find any bank reconciliation software that can do a bank reconciliation in under 3 minutes, including the journal entry. So once again, this is Conrad from Ezyrecon. Thank you. Bye.